Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can put one earbud to the charging case or remove only one and use the second one. You can also close the charger case. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see, I still have connection. But you cannot connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. This earbud support dual connection, so you can connect both of these earbuds to two devices, but not as I said previously. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.